Double-hung windows Laurel Maryland is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Custom double-hung windows, Laurel MD offers tailored solutions to meet specific design preferences and energy efficiency needs. Window replacement. Laurel is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. The best window replacement Laurel Maryland services ensure that your windows are not only visually appealing, but also energy efficient. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Laurel can significantly reduce energy costs by minimizing heat loss and improving insulation. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for homeowners in Laurel, Maryland. Insulated glass windows and double-pane windows are excellent choices for those looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Insulated double-hung windows Laurel provide superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Custom window designs allow homeowners in Laurel to express their unique style while improving their home's functionality. Whether you're interested in vinyl double-hung windows or other materials, custom double-hung windows Laurel MD can be tailored to fit any design vision. Vinyl window installation. Laurel Maryland is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Window repair services in Laurel are crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Professional window repair. Laurel ensures that issues such as window frame repair, window sash replacement, and window hardware repair are addressed promptly. Window sash repair. Laurel MD is particularly important for maintaining the smooth operation of double-hung windows. Vinyl double-hung windows Laurel are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Laurel, Maryland. Affordable window installation. Laurel makes it easy to upgrade your home with high-quality vinyl windows. Vinyl window installation. Laurel, Maryland offers a range of styles and colors to complement any home design. Window frame repair is an essential service for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Window trim repair Laurel MD ensures that your windows remain secure and visually appealing. Window maintenance services. Laurel, Maryland provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Insulated glass windows are a smart investment for homeowners in Laurel looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Double-pane window services. Laurel offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for busy neighborhoods. Window condensation solutions. Laurel help prevent moisture buildup and maintain clear views. Window sash replacement is a common service needed for older homes in Laurel, Maryland. Historic window restoration Laurel MD preserves the charm and character of historic properties while improving functionality. Window glazing Laurel, Maryland is an important part of this process, ensuring that windows are properly sealed and insulated. Double-hung windows Laurel is key to extending the life of your windows and preventing costly repairs. Regular window weatherproofing Laurel, Maryland helps protect against drafts and moisture intrusion. Window draft prevention. Laurel, Maryland is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Window hardware repair is necessary for ensuring the smooth operation of your windows. Window lock repair. Laurel MD addresses security concerns and ensures that windows close securely.